Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel MacPM. So in today's video we will solve a problem based on the stress and strain. So this is a block which is subjected to three-dimensional stress. So let's read the problem. A 400 mm long bar. So this length is 400 mm, has a rectangular cross section of 10, height is 10 and width is 30 mm. This bar is subjected to 15 kN tensile force on 10. So 15 kN is on this surface, then 180 kilonewton, then 80. So notice that the 15 kilonewton and 180 kilonewton are tensile and this is 80 kilonewton is compressive. So if we consider tensile forces as positive and compressive negative, we are just considering it for our convenience. So we have to calculate the stresses. So look, this 15 kilonewton, suppose this is x-axis, this is x-axis, this is the y-axis and this is z-axis as shown here. So stress in x direction sigma x is equal to px, force in x direction, upon area at which is acting. So it will be equal to px is 15 kilonewton. So 15 into 10 to the power 3 divided by area is 10 into 30, which will be equal to 50 Newton per mm square, and it is plus because it is tensile. Similarly, sigma y is equal to, this is 80 kilonewton. So 80 into 10 to the power 3 divided by, as you can see, this area is 400 by 12. This is 400 and this is 10. So we'll write 400 into 10. This is in mm. So it will become 20 Newton per mm square. This will be negative because this is compressive. Okay, and similarly we will calculate sigma z, which is equal to 180 kilonewton, 180 kilonewton. So 10 to the power 3 divided by, this area is 400 into 30, which is equal to 15 Newton per mm square. This will be positive because it is tensile. Now we know that, suppose this is a bar and it is subjected to tensile load sigma, tensile stress sigma, then a strain in longitudinal direction is Ax. Suppose this is x direction and this is y direction. So Poisson ratio mu is equal to, Poisson ratio is lateral strain upon longitudinal, which is equal to, mu is equal to Ey upon Ex. So Ey is equal to mu Ex. Okay, means due to force stress in x direction, there will be some strain in y direction, which is equal to Poisson ratio into strain in x direction. It will be negative because due to this sigma strain length is increasing, because but this width is decreasing, so it is in opposite direction. So in this manner we can think that ex strain in x direction will be equal to, so strain in x direction, strain is equal to stress upon E, so Ex will be in x direction, stress is 50. We have already calculated it. Sigma x is 50, sigma y is 20. We will write here again. Sigma x is equal to 50, sigma y is equal to 20, sigma z is equal to 15, and this is minus. So Ex will be equal to, due to stress in sigma x direction, it will be equal to 50 upon E minus, this is already minus mu into stress in other direction, y direction, strain in y direction, so minus 20, this 20 is already minus, upon E into mu Poisson ratio, because we have seen here that in other direction also strain occurs in multiple of mu or Poisson ratio, minus in z direction 15 into mu divided by E. Similarly, strain in y direction will be equal to, or strain due to y direction stress is equal to, this will become negative, mu 50 divided by E, and this is negative, minus 20, this is already minus 20, this is positive but it is already minus, so it will be minus 20 by E minus 15 mu upon E, and Ez will be equal to, it will be minus mu 50 upon E minus and minus will become plus, so it will become plus mu 20 upon E plus 15 upon E. So this is the value of strains. So if you simplify it, then you will get, this will become 51.5 divided by E, this will become minus 39.5 divided by E, and the last one will become 6 by E. Now we know that volumetric strain is equal to sum of all the strain Ex plus Ey plus Ez. So this will be equal to sum of these three, which will be equal to, if we will add these three, then we will get 18 divided by E. So this is volumetric strain. Now volumetric strain is PV is equal to 18 divided by E is equal to delta V, change in volume, divided by initial volume. So which will be equal to delta V will be equal to 18 by E into V, which will be equal to 18 divided by E is given as 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square, and volume is, width is 10, height is 10, width is 30, and length is 400. So this is volume of the block. So if we will calculate it, then delta V will become 10.8 mm cube. So this is the change in the volume. I hope you understood this problem. This was slight difficult problem, so you can watch it twice to understand. If you still have any problem, then you can ask in the comment section, and thanks for watching this.